In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade from economy to business class in Qatar Airways. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to move from an economy search to premium cabins directly on the Qatar Airways website. Start by opening QatarAirways.com in your browser, give the homepage a moment to load, and make sure you're on the correct region and language so prices and availability display accurately for you. You don't need to sign in for this process, though if you have an account, logging in later can help you see personalized options. Next, select Book a Flight on the homepage. This opens the main booking panel where you control the route, dates, travelers, and cabin choice. It's the same place you'd begin any reservation. And it's also where you switch from economy to premium when you're ready to upgrade your search. In the search area, enter your from and to points. You can type the city name or the airport code. Suggestions will appear as you type. Choose the exact airports you want, especially if your city has multiple options. If your journey includes connections, that's fine. The system will display available itineraries once you apply your preferences. Now pick your departure and return dates. Premium cabin availability can vary by day, so if your schedule allows, consider dates that are a little flexible. Even a one-day shift can reveal more business class options or better pricing. As you choose dates, take a second to confirm you're not overlapping holidays or major events that might limit seats. Add your passengers. Set the correct number of adults, children, and infants as needed. Keep in mind, all travelers in the same booking will move into the same cabin, so make sure the count is accurate before you continue. Fare rules and total costs are calculated per passenger type, and consistency here avoids surprises later. Here's the key step. Change the travel class from economy to a premium option, such as business or first, depending on what's offered for your route. On many Qatar Airways flights, business class is the flagship premium cabin. First may appear on select aircraft and routes. By choosing a premium class here, you're effectively upgrading your original economy search to show premium seats, amenities, and fares. Finally, click Confirm. The site will refresh and display the updated results reflecting your new cabin selection. Look for the business or first labels on each option, review the inclusions like seat type and baggage allowance, and note the fare differences. If availability is tight, try adjacent dates or alternate times for more choices. Once you're satisfied, you can move forward with the option that best fits your plans.